Hi, I hope this video finds you doing very well. Just a little public service announcement regarding spring. We're finally getting some very nice warm weather, and there's two categories of people that I worry about. My gardeners, who I know there's a lot to to do in the yard, a lot of ambition about how you want your yard to look and your garden to be this season. However, please take it just a little bit slow. This is a busy season for me, and I don't want you to be a part of it. Just be a little extra cautious. The slow and steady wins the race. It's true, and you don't want to be sidelined by injury. And also, my warm weather athletes who may just be getting up off the couch for the first time since the cold weather, don't go and run 5 miles on your first day or cycle for 50 miles. You want to start off slowly. You don't want to push yourself until you have some base underneath you. So, start off at 50%, get up to 75%, and then in a few weeks you can be back up to 100% safely, and you won't have to take an injury break. So that's just my public service announcement. I hope you're doing well, and come in and see me when you need me.